Leah, let's go to you. How are you feeling about this particular moment as you approach the upcoming federal budget? What does it mean to you, both personally and for your riding and your constituents?
Well, I think it's important to note that those that were behind before the pandemic are even further behind. We know there's targeted population, certainly BIPOC folks. We knew this before the pandemic. I think if anything, the pandemic has done is it has highlighted these inequalities, because now when you don't look after somebody, it impacts everybody in the circle. So the well-being of all will impact our ability to get through the pandemic. And, I have to agree with my good friend Paul here. I'm not excited. Universal childcare program and national childcare program, almost 30 years they've been promising it. They voted down our Pharmacare bill, Bill C-13, and now they're promising during their convention, they're talking about a pharmacare program. They've totally gone against promises on dealing with the climate emergency, investing billions in dollars in pipelines and non-renewable resources. Instead of heeding their promises. And let's not forget their willful human rights violations. They have indicated that they will not honor the Canadian Human Rights Tribunal ruling to immediately stop racially discriminating against First Nations children on reserve and housing. The PBO report just came out. I know for my riding, we are short 9,000 units for Indigenous individuals and families and core housing needs. And they are billions of dollars behind being able to address this crisis. So I'm not very hopeful. I think I'm just going to keep focused on fighting for human rights, because certainly this government hasn't done what it needs to do to respect human rights, including the human right for a safe, healthy, and clean environment as a human right.